Alright guys, I'm just gonna show you today how to change this is a Mercedes is an S-Class. This is a 2000 this applies to 2007 to 2013. So what happens guys is the rear seat, the other one is next to the driver, and then this is the rear passenger towards the passenger side, just right here. So what you do guys, first things first, this is not the one which is uniform across. This is just like the single one. So you just come down here guys. If you can see with me, it comes low right here. You just come right here, and then you just you see right here guys, you just pull this thing like this, then you pop it up like that. Then you come here guys, the same thing. It's right here. You see here, just pop it up like that. So what happens guys, you pop this thing from here. So this guys, this right here guys is the lock. It locks from here. So when you just push like this, it just moves to the side. It just gives access to move out from the hook right here, and then just opens up the seat. So guys, you just pull the seat gently, because back there guys we have like two connectors. So let me just show you. So when the seat guys is like that, you just pull it like that. You sit down there, and then you just take it in the side like that. So guys, these are the two connectors. So you don't need to disconnect them. So you just push it like that. Just put it on the side. So guys, right here we have a fuel pump from Mercedes. So I'm going to show you in a moment. So guys, once this opens up like this, we have access guys to the fuel pump. So what we do, we just come here, we take this guy out. It seems like somebody just took it out from here, so we just take it like that. We put it on the side. So next guys, we just turn this like this. So you push it down, then you turn it gently like that. Okay. Then guys, you just pull it out like that. Guys, these are the locks. You just make sure it gets out from the locks. There are 4, and the locks go in here, and then go right here, and then here, and then lastly goes right there. So there are 4 in number. So that one guys, you put on the side. So guys, you have 10mm. You have 1 2 3 4 5 6 of them. So guys, I'm gonna use a gun to just open them up. 1 2 3 4 5, and then guys, lastly 6. So you guys have to take this guys out of the way, and you make sure guys this press is clean before you do something. So if there's a lot of dirt on the way guys, you can use like something to blow out. So guys, here we have. So we just take this this metal thing, you take this one out of the way. So we have this pump right here. So guys, I'll show you in a moment how we do. So you just lift it up gently. This is the cover guys, this is the top cover. It has kind of like guys like a pipe. So guys, you put this on the side, and then guys we have our fuel pump right down there. So guys, make sure when you're putting back, you make sure this thing is seated well, because if it doesn't sit well guys, it will lead up to the pump leaking gas, and then you can smell it like all over your car. So first things first guys, we disconnect from here. You just push it inside like that, and then you just disconnect it. I don't know if you can see it right here. You just push inside. So this is what you put inside guys. Just push from here. It's kind of like a lock which locks in here. If you can see that hole right there. So once that locks in there guys, it makes it difficult for this to come out by itself. So when that's out of the way, so we take this guy out and just press like that, and then you push it back. Be careful, guys. Sometimes you got some gas, it may just like push it out with pressure. So you can just put this inside like that. So guys, what happens is, you see down here is something like a triangular in format. So you just push it up, you just like push it away, just push it like that. So this thing, guys, locks on the circle. If you see the circle right here, it locks on this thing on the circle. So there's another one right here too, so you push it also on the side, you do the same, it goes to the opposite side. So you just push it like that. So when you push it like that, guys, it goes towards the other side, it just moves towards the other side. So guys, once that is done, guys, we can push this thing out. It can just come in by itself like that. So let me take this guy out so it doesn't disrupt anybody from the way. So I just take it out, put it on the side. So guys, I have to put this on the side too, so it doesn't block this guy from coming out. So guys, we have this thing right here. I have kind of like a lock or something. Alright guys, so you just you disconnect this right here. You don't disconnect this, guys. The new pump is coming with this connector right here. So you just disconnect from here. So guys, you just push it like that. I'll show you in a moment. Just squeeze it inside. Squeeze it really hard, and then this thing should be able to just come out. Just squish it right here, guys. Squeeze here and then just push it away. All right. Okay, this comes out like this. So this guy here, guys, I'll show you what happens. You just press like this. When you press like this thing extends, it moves to the side, and then lets out this guy. It just lets out this lock right here. This is free. So guys, once that is done, you push this guy away from here, and then our pump should be able to just come out. Okay, there we go. So here we go, guys. You just pull like this. Okay, here we go. You just pull this thing forward like this, and then it should be able to just come loosely like that. Then you just push it like that, guys, and then eventually it just comes out. This is how it looks like, guys. This is the old one. That's how it looks like from below. That's the filter right there. It has a lot of I don't know if this is sugar or something, but something is down there up. So that's down in the car. So we put this on the side. Alright, let me see what is here. Oh my god. Alright guys, as I suspected, this is sugar. Somebody put sugar in here. Okay, I'm gonna throw away this stuff, guys, so it doesn't block the pump next time. So guys, here we are. There's the sugar. So apparently maybe somebody wanted to just install the car, or just kill the engine, or kill the filter because of some sugar and stuff. You know guys, sugar is not soluble with gas. So I don't know who was that mischievous, but guys, that's the process. So next guys is we check the new one right here. So we come right here, guys. This is from Mercedes. So we open this up and we see what's inside. All right, there we go. So just make sure they're the same. They compare to each other. Hey guys, when you see down there, we got the same. Yeah, we got everything the same. So guys, we do the installation in reverse. You connect with everything disconnected, and then you make sure you connect all this side properly, and then it should be able to be good to go. But guys, I think I have to maybe suck this out, and then maybe like try to suck out the sugar and then fix this problem. Alright guys, I hope this video really helps you out. See you next time. Drive safe out there.